So recently DJI released its all new drone. It's a professional drone which is called DJI Mavic 4 Pro, and it has completely revolutionized the industry with its all new feature, especially the 360-degree rotating gimbal. This is something which I have seen first time in the drones, and it'll be really cool to make some shots using that technology, using that feature. But most of you would know that this drone is very expensive. In India, it will cost around 4 lakh rupees, and sometimes we don't feel like spending this much amount of money in a drone, or in India we say a toy, right? एक खिलौने में इतने पैसे नहीं बिगा सकते हैं, and that is why DJI has so many other options like DJI Mini Series drone, DJI Mini Pro, DJI Flip, DJI Air series, and the most awaited and which I am waiting for is DJI Air 4 and Air 4S. So that's what we are going to talk about today, that what can we expect from DJI Air 4 and Air 4S. This is Geet and welcome to the channel. Nowadays सब लोग बात करें AI की कि AI से ये होगा, AI से वो होगा, and this drone is also supposed to be equipped with a lot of AI features. The rumor says that this drone will be so smart that it will start giving you flying lessons once you turn it on. Well, wouldn't that be great? I don't know. But I'm just joking. There won't be anything in near 1 or 2 years. This is just a drone with some good AI features. So the very first thing which I'll absolutely love about this drone is to have 360-degree rotating camera. Yes, I want a 360-degree camera which rotates similar to the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This feature has so many applications and you can get so many good shots, so many good visuals using this feature. So it's a must have and I'm really anticipating DJI Air 4 to have it. On the number 2 and the most important thing is battery. Nowadays we use battery operated devices or phone or laptop or drones or GoPros, action cameras and whatnot. सब चीज़ों में बैटरी डल गई. Even your earphones, your watches, smart watches जिसमें भी batteries आती है. And the biggest problem with the devices which have batteries is कि आपको उसको charge करना पड़ता है. Sometimes there is a reason why I avoid such devices like headphones, so that I do not need to charge one more device when I'm traveling. But in Mavic 4 Pro, the flight time on paper is 51 minutes. It's so much of time, and if you have 3 batteries, आप घंटों तक उड़ा सकते हो drone को, and you can record a lot of things. And the same thing I want in Air 4 and Air 4S. Even if it's not a 51-minute flight time, I'm expecting it to be around like 40 minutes, 45 minutes, which will be a really good feature, which will be a really good improvement to have in these kind of devices. Because sometimes, when I'm in a place where there is a lot of mountains or river or jungle, why isn't I want to fly it and just watch the scenery in my phone? Like I use a DJI RC N1 which can connect the smartphone. So that's my go-to setup. And it's really small. The controller is very small so that you can carry it anywhere with ease. And the same thing I want to see in drones from Kitsman. Yeah, why not? Number 3, and one really important thing is the camera sensor. अगर आपका ड्रोन बहुत ही few minutes तक उड़ रहा है हवा में and it's really fast, but if it's not giving you good results, then is it worth it? No, right? So the current DJI Air 3S, which is the latest budget drone from DJI, is having a 1-inch sensor, and the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is having APS-C kind of sensor. तो अभी जो Air series है, I don't think that they'll upgrade the 1-inch sensor, but what they can do is they can increase the megapixel and they can improve the quality of the image. There is also HDR mode, there is also D-Log. So आप बहुत ही अच्छी footage ले सकते हैं, and to push it forward, to push it one level more, they can have a much improved sensor. and if they can give a variable aperture, ये तो सोने पे सुहागा हो जाएगा. It will be a cherry on the top, but I don't think they'll give. But still, I'm expecting that they improve a little on the sensor side. The next one is the controller. So that is the device which you will be holding और आप control उड़ाएंगे. And having a small compact controller is really important because Pro series में बहुत ही बड़े-बड़े controllers आते हैं and the latest drone has a very big screen like 7-inch screen with huge dial and everything. But since it's a compact drone, we want an RC and 4 maybe a really small controller which can mount your phone and you can see everything in your phone. So छोटा सा controller which can be used along with your phone would be really great improvement. Already जो previous drones है उसमें already इस type के controllers available हैं, but we need a smaller controller which is having a greater distance, long range, बहुत ही लंबी range तक it should be able to communicate with the drone without any glitch. When I was using my Mavic Mini 3 Pro, the distance was really restricted. Range बहुत ही कम थी and sometimes I would feel like कि drone control नहीं हो पा रहा है and within a second it will start to be controlled and I was able to control it. तो ये सब चीज़ें नहीं होनी चाहिए so that the user has a better experience and he would go and buy more drones from DJI, right? So I guess this is it. This is all about this video. और अगर आप professional हो, then you might already know what kind of drones are there from DJI and from the other companies. But if you are a casual flyer who goes to travel and flies the drone just like me, then you might be finding something जो सस्ता है and टिकाऊ है, right? The Indian style. If you're looking for such drones, then the Mini series and the Air series are really good. If you want really good quality, then these Air series drone are really comparable with this Pro series drone. Although Pro has so many more advantages, but at some point in time it won't be useful for us because we'll be using them mostly for these Instagram videos and YouTube videos, which will anyways compress our video. So make sure that you research enough before buying a new drone. With that, this is the time to wrap up this video. Like it if you like this video and give me suggestions in the comment box. Subscribe if you want to see more such videos and more of my travel vlogs. With that, this is time to say goodbye. This is Geet and I'll see you the next time. Till then, stay safe.